In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store URL. Changing your store URL is an important step in building your brand because it's the web address your customers will see and remember. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click on the Shopify admin, and I'll also share a few tips along the way so you know exactly what you're doing and why. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store's admin. This is the main control center where you manage products, orders, customers, and of course, your store settings. Make sure you're on the correct store if you have access to more than one. Once you're in the admin, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all the configuration options related to your store, from billing and users to checkout and domains. We're going to focus on the domain settings because that's what controls your store URL. Inside the settings page, find and click on Domains. This section shows you all the domains connected to your store, including your primary store URL and any custom domains you may have already added. It's also where you can manage redirects and see which domain is currently set as your primary one. Next, look for the option that says Change My Shopify.com domain and click on it. Your myshopify.com address is the default domain Shopify gives you when you first create your store. While most customers see your branded custom domain, this internal address still appears in some places, and updating it can help keep your branding consistent. A field will appear where you can type in your new store URL. Enter the name you want to use carefully. It should be simple, easy to spell, and ideally match your brand name or come as close as possible. Avoid special characters and try to keep it short and memorable. If the URL you want is already taken, Shopify will prompt you to choose another variation, so you may need to get a bit creative. After typing in your desired store URL, double check it for spelling errors. When you're happy with it, click on Add Domain. Shopify will process the change and update your store address. Give it a moment, then confirm that the new URL appears correctly in your domains list. That's it. You've successfully changed your Shopify store URL, bringing your store one step closer to a consistent and professional online brand.